Today I'm doing a fashion drawing of a plaid two-piece set that I designed. To watch the full illustration, stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome to another video. If you're new here, my name is Delaya and I'm a tailored streetwear designer for the creatively ambitious woman who wants to subtly stand out. If you want to know more about fashion design, how clothes are made, or how to let your style speak for you, go on and hit the subscribe button. Like I said earlier, I designed a plaid two-piece set and now I'm doing a drawing of it. This actually started out as me working out a concept for the button-up shirt in my DIY Capsule Challenge. If you're unfamiliar with what the DIY Capsule Challenge is, I'll link to the playlist down in the description box, but long story short is I basically challenged myself to create a 10 by 10 capsule wardrobe for myself from scratch. That means I'm designing it and I'm making it. And the next item I have to make is the button-up shirt. Without going too far into detail about the design, because I have a website that does that and I'll also link to that below, I bought the plaid fabric from Joann Fabric Store with the intentions to only use it for the button-up. But after scrolling through Instagram one day and seeing a solid colored belted blazer and matching trousers, I kind of got curious as to what it would look like in the plaid that I bought. So I decided to illustrate it because why not? I'll leave all the materials that I used for this illustration in the description box, as well as any tutorials that I used for help. So because this is a design for me, I attempted to draw myself as the person. It didn't end up a whole miss, but it didn't end up a whole right either. As for which outfit I'm going to make for the challenge, I'm on the fence about it. Do I go completely out of my comfort zone and do the wide leg two-piece, or do I play it closer to home and choose the jogger set? How about you let me know in the comments below which one you like better, or if I just need to start over from the beginning because both of them are trash. I hope both of them aren't trash, but let me know if they are. Okay, so that's it for today's video. You've watched me draw not one, but two plaid two-piece sets. If you liked watching this drawing come to life or want to see how the actual two-piece set comes out, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can get alerted when the videos drop. Before you go though, I really want your input. Which one of the sets are you feeling more? The one with the wide leg pants or the one with the jogger pants? Let me know in the comments below. Alright, so thanks for watching. Until next time, keep designing your best life. Bye.